Okay. Takota's swinging and Blake's hanging.
Oh, he's out in the middle of the day. He's got to be hungry.
Aww. Oh. He's posing for us. Oh, he's itching. It looks like a fox from here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Watch out. Oh shit. Parkour. Parkour. Where is he at now? Nice. Okay. Wait.
That's so cool. He's hungry. I wish I had food for him.
Okay. I got it really zoomed in. I needed to zoom it out. Alright, attempt 1, dog. Gosh, here we go. Blake might be better at pushing.
Oh, Mud. Want to come push me?
You want a spinner?
Huh?
I don't think so.
Give you a minute.
The dog?
What dog?
There's a dog coming by the raccoon. He's coming. Are you trying to spin yourself?
I am.
Alright. Oh wait, it's better this way. Oh, Takota, I found the rhythm.
Oh, good.
There we go.
Whee!
Is it fun?
Yeah. It'd be a little funner. Oh, I was going to say it'd be a little funner if it's...
I'm trying. I can't go any faster. Oh my God.
See how high the bridge is from the water?
Yeah.
It's a possibility that. What did I say?
So where are we going? Through the bridge or?
Oh my God. Steep as hill.
I know. The key is lean back, you know.
Lean back.
Lean back.
I can't.
Oh, I remember climbing down this at one point.
No, this one. We climbed down over there.
Some looks like a drag through there.
Kicked all this, walked over that way.
We're gonna go over here. Oh God.